All right, welcome to our Chapter 8 homework problem. We're going to go ahead. Looks like we have 10 questions here. So I'm guessing we have a few multiple choice. Yep, multiple choice. And then we'll have a couple of, looks like bank reconciliations. Yep, so we're going to have two bank reconciliations, but I'm only going to work one of them. I want to look for one that might be a little more. So this one looks like ones that I did in the snippet. So let's see if the number 10 is a little more challenging. Yeah, let's do number 10. It's a little more challenging. You can see that this is set up much the way I did if you watch the snippet, the template that is available for you to use. And it even adds up where I put all of my formulas. So this is a good one. Let's go ahead and do this one. The company's cash account shows, okay, so that's the book balance. So we're going to put 27,700. 27,700. Let's do the right number there. Bank balance shows 2,600, 26,000, excuse me. May 31st, and again, all right, so in my lecture, I told you that I like to go based on the transaction, but the book tells you find all the stuff for the bank balance first, then do the book balance. I don't like that. I want to just start off with letter A. The May 31st bank statement lists $110 in bank service charges. See, this is better than the one I showed you in the snippet video because this says bank service charges. It doesn't say debit or credit because we're not dealing with debits and credits, and debit and credit use by banks is just makes accountants want to barf. So this is a bank service charge. This is a fee. The bank statement shows it, but we don't have it on our books. So we're going to have to deduct this, and we're going to probably find like some bank service charge. There it is, bank service charge. And we're going to put here, how much was 110? Yeah, 110 for me. Okay, so we're going to do that. And I want to see and make sure that this is a reduction. All right, I want to make sure of 27,590 is a reduction. Okay, so it's subtracting it, so I don't need to put the negative sign here. I just need to put that on there as the straight number. Outstanding checks as of May 31st totaled $5,700. That means we wrote the checks, sent them out, and they haven't been cashed. So we're going to need to take them out of our bank balance for outstanding checks, and we're going to show, what was it? Yeah, I'm almost there. $5,700. Okay, let's make sure that that decreased. Sure did. We're good. All right. May 31st, cash receipts of $6,300 were placed in the bank night depository after banking hours and were not recorded in the May 31st bank statement. This is our deposit in transit. We've recorded it on the books and deposited it, but they didn't get it till the next day. So we're going to come over here and look for the deposit of May 31st. It could also be deposit in transit. Could also say something else, okay? That's just what we're going to put on there because that's what they wanted. Letter D, in reviewing the bank statement, a $410 check written by Smith Company, no relation, was mistakenly drawn against Wright's account. So what happened was the bank, for some odd reason, took $410 out of our checking account that should have been taken out from another company's account. I've never seen this happen in real life, but who knows? But we're going to go ahead and add that back into our bank statement because that should not have been put there. We'll call it bank error, I guess. That's appropriate there. So we're going to put $410 there. And then the bank statement shows a $580 non-sufficient check from a customer. The company has not yet recorded this NSF. So basically we got a check from a customer and we deposited it. We included that $580 in our deposit. But when the bank went to clear that check and pull money from that customer's checking account and put it in ours, they didn't have enough. So they didn't put anything in ours. And we have recorded it on our book balance. So we're going to have to deduct that non-sufficient fund check from our book balance and then send Guido and Crusher and Loblo after that customer and get the money. No, I'm just kidding. We don't do that here. But as I enter that in, we look at both of our bank balances and our book balances. They balance. So let's check our work. Perfect. See, answer is complete and correct. I followed just each transaction and put it where it belonged. I recommend that method. It's just cleaner. But I do know that the book balance or the book teaches you the other way. I just don't like that way. This way is make sure that you get everything done correctly. So, and that really is our our homework help for today because we don't have a whole lot. This one should be pretty straightforward for you now that I did that. It's set up the exact same way. And then the rest of them are your multiple choice. So if you have any questions, let me know. Please, I'm always here for you guys. Otherwise, you have a great one, and we'll see you guys in another chapter.